Hello people, hi, this is Shruti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you might be wondering why am I here in my casual tee and my hair headband and stuff. It's because today I am reviewing an entire skincare brand. So the thing that you need to know about skincare, it differs from one person to another on a very vast basis. Maybe the products that suits me might not suit you because there are a lot of things that a person is allergic to, or their skin is sensitive or dry or combination or oily. So keep that in mind, and in today's video I will be reviewing a skincare brand which is a Purple exclusive, which is known as the Good Vibes. So I ordered the entire group of things that you need for your skincare, and today I will be doing it in front of you and telling you my thoughts, if they are worth the price, or are they affordable and whatnot. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I bought was this honey moisturizing foaming face wash. So just gonna take a little bit of it. As this is a very gentle foaming face wash, you can take it around your eyes and lips. But if you're using a very hard form of cleansing, don't take anything of that sort near your lips or eyes. It can irritate your eyes and also your lips. So now the cleansing is done. I'll just go and wash it off and then I'll be right back. So now that I'm done with my cleansing, I will move on to the next part, which is exfoliating. So today I'll be using a physical exfoliator, which is scrubbing. So today I will be using this activated charcoal skin exfoliating scrub. So I have a lot of whiteheads and blackheads, and it's something that has been there for a long time now. Like, I remove it and then the next day it's again there. A scrub should actually remove all those whiteheads and blackheads, at least 98 or 99% of it. So as it's been 2 to 3 minutes since I started doing this, I'll just go and wash my face and I'll be right back. So my skin feels really like dry, and it feels very sucked out of moisture. Next I'll be masking, so I'm using this Papaya Glow face mask. So I have covered my entire face with this mask and I will let it sit on until it dries out. So I'll see you in a while after it dries down. This entire thing is dried up and I don't think it's going to dry more, and also I have been keeping it on my face for 15 minutes now, so I'll just remove it and I'll be right back. So the next thing that I'm going to use is the toner. I'm using this Rose Glow toner. So now I have applied the toner. Next I'm going in with the serum. So I have this Rose Hip serum, and also I have this vitamin C and vitamin B3 serum. So let's do a very cool thing. Let's on the half face put Rose Hip and on the half face vitamin C and B3. So this side of the this skin doesn't feel so lifted and all. This one feels a little more hydrated than this one. Next I'm going in with the soothing face mist. So I chose lavender. Next thing that I have is the lemon lip scrub. Next thing is this brightening face cream. So the next and the last thing of this entire brand that I ordered is the under eye serum, which is cucumber and lemon under eye serum. So as I did not really order a lip balm, I just forgot, so So I'm going to be applying Vaseline. So the last thing that I want to say about all these products are that some of the products did very well and some were just not worth the, you know, hype. So the first thing that I'll be using more now is this rosehip serum. This did not bring a very radiant glow on my face instantly, but it did hydrate my face, which is what I need. Second, this brightening cream, it helped hydrating my skin, but still, like, you know, no brightening up and all. So it's also saying cruelty free, which means a lot to me when it comes from a brand. Then this toner, this actually brought a lot of change on my face since I started using it, not on a daily basis, but yes, I use it on the days that I'm not applying any kind of makeup or I'm going very simple with the makeup. Now the things that did not perform very well for me is this vitamin C B3. It just made my side of the face very yellowish that I never want to see again. Next, this charcoal scrub did nothing to my face, just made it more drier than it was. This mask also made my skin very dry, and you know, somewhere I felt like a little bit of itchiness. So now the last thing, which is the under eye serum. Can you see any kind of difference under my eyes? It's still full of puffiness and dark circles, so I don't feel that it did anything for my under eye. So the products that I feel are worth the hype are these products: the toner, the moisturizer, the rosehip serum, and this lavender soothing mist. Maybe there are, I'm not saying these are the best, but if you're a beginner, these products are good for you. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something from this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't till now. Please do. It helps me. It gives me confidence to make new videos. Thank you so much, and I love you all. I will see you in my next